How to get attractive skin. Make your skin glow naturally. 1. Eat a healthy diet that includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Avoid processed foods, added sugars, and saturated fats. 2. Manage stress by setting reasonable limits, prioritizing tasks, and seeking support when needed. Stress can trigger skin problems such as acne and eczema. 3. Drink enough water to keep your skin and hair hydrated from within. Water helps flush out toxins, improve circulation, and prevent dryness and dullness. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day. 4. Exfoliate your skin once or twice a week to remove dead skin cells, unclog pores, and improve texture and tone. You can use a scrub, a peel, or an exfoliating tool that suits your skin type and sensitivity level. 5. Use an eye cream to hydrate, brighten, and smooth the delicate skin around your eyes. Look for ingredients such as caffeine, hyaluronic acid, peptides, or retinol that can address common eye area concerns such as puffiness, dark circles, fine lines, or sagging. That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.